Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Settings and choose Security to enable the Lock Screen Lock feature. Tap Screen Lock and verify your current device passcode when prompted. Select a screen lock type like 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, password, or pattern based on your preference. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm your new lock credentials twice for accuracy. Set a strong backup method, such as a different password or recovery PIN for emergencies. Enable biometric options, like fingerprint or face unlock, if your device supports those features. Open the screen lock settings to configure auto lock timeout after an activity. Choose auto lock timeout like 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes to save battery or enhance security. Enable Require PIN on restart, so credentials are required after a reboot. Set maximum failed attempts to 5 to trigger device lockout or data wipe, depending on your preference. Manage lock screen notifications and allow or restrict sensitive content visibility on the lock screen. Use contextual settings to show less information while keeping alerts functional. If you forget your lock, use recovery options like an alternate email or recovery PIN. Keep a recovery method like an alternate email or recovery PIN for account access and restore. Update your device software regularly to receive security patches and biometric improvements that reduce bypass risks. Use two-factor authentication for important accounts to add another protection layer beyond the lock screen. Avoid simple codes such as 1234, 0000, or sequential patterns when choosing a PIN or pattern lock. Regularly review trusted devices and remove ones you no longer own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.